Hello everyone, Paul here. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into how to use Searchbug Investigator-Assisted Order for Find Business EIN feature to quickly and easily locate an employer identification number. First and foremost, you need to visit searchbug.com and navigate to Hire Investigator tab. Then select Find Business EIN. Next, you'll fill out the online form. Company name, address, and city are all required fields. There are optional fields as well if you want to provide additional information. Once you're done filling out the form, click on Order Now. The order will now be assigned to your investigator. Once completed, you'll receive an email notification that your order is now complete. Simply log in to Searchbug to view the order results. The results typically include the company federal tax ID number, the last known address, plus the executive information. Already have the EIN, but you need the company information? Not a problem. If you provide the EIN, Searchbug will supply the name and contact information of the company. Please note that it typically takes 1 to 2 business days for the order to be completed. What is an EIN? An Employer Identification Number, or EIN, is a unique tax identification number assigned to the businesses by the IRS. It's similar to a social security number for individuals, but for businesses. It's often required for various purposes such as opening business bank account, hiring employees, or filing taxes. Why use Searchbug to find an EIN? Searchbug can save you time and effort compared to manually searching for EIN online. Our powerful search tools scours premium databases to find the most up-to-date information. This service will cost you $19.97, and if no information is found, you are eligible for a $14.97 refund. Please note that not all information is available for all records. Thank you for watching.